From science fiction dreams to real-world breakthroughs, let's explore the tech changing how we live, heal, and think. Some discoveries don't just improve things, they flip the whole game. We're talking about medical revolutions, clean energy, and wild ideas that are actually working right now. Let's dive into the innovations that are rewriting the rules of reality. First up, CRISPR. Picture having an edit button for your DNA, snipping out diseases, strengthening crops, even fighting cancer. It's like Photoshop for your genes, and it's already transforming both medicine and agriculture. But here's the twist. What happens when people start editing for more than health? Designer babies? Enhanced traits? With great power comes a whole mess of ethical questions. The science is racing ahead, but society still has catching up to do. Next, what if your house could power itself just by sitting in the sun? Solar paint is making that possible. Combine it with wave-powered generators that harness ocean movement, and suddenly, clean energy is more than just wind turbines and solar panels. The best part? These techs are becoming cheaper, smarter, and easier to use. A world powered without fossil fuels? It's not a pipe dream, it's underway. Now for something gross, but genius. Scientists have developed enzymes that can eat plastic. No joke, bottles that used to take centuries to break down are now dissolving in mere hours. Fast, effective recycling might actually become real. But scaling this up to match global waste? That's the next beast to conquer. Controlling gadgets with your brain might sound like a sci-fi plot, but it's already happening. Brain-computer interfaces are giving people with paralysis the ability to move robotic limbs and communicate just by thinking. One day, we might send texts or controlled devices using only our minds, but turning this into everyday tech? Still a work in progress. Wearables have gotten seriously smart. Forget just step counting. Modern health trackers can monitor your oxygen levels, heart rhythms, and even blood sugar. No needles needed. These tiny devices are turning everyday users into health detectives and giving doctors real-time info like never before. Healthcare, meet high-tech. 3D printing isn't just for hobbyists anymore. It's solving global problems, printing houses in days, cutting construction costs, and slashing waste. In the medical world, it's even more insane. Custom prosthetics, synthetic tissues, and yep, a fully transplanted 3D printed ear. This isn't future talk, this is happening. Now imagine pulling fresh drinking water right out of thin air. Hydro panels do just that, using solar power to trap moisture and create clean water, even in desert conditions. It's a game changer for communities without easy water access, and since it runs on sunlight, it's as sustainable as it gets. Quantum computers don't play by the same rules as your laptop. They use qubits, which means they can solve problems we can't even dream of solving right now. Back in 2019, one cracked a problem in 200 seconds that would have taken a supercomputer thousands of years. From medicine to climate modeling, this tech could unlock answers we didn't know we needed. How about real meat, with zero animals involved? Lab-grown meat is already hitting the shelves, grown from cells, not farms. It's real meat, just made differently. It saves land, water, and slashes emissions, and it could be key to solving global hunger while easing the pressure on animals and the planet. Restoring sight to the blind sounds like a miracle, but bionic eyes are making it real. They use mini cameras and sensors to send visual signals straight to the brain. Early tests are showing promise. Imagine someone seeing light again after years of darkness. This tech has a long way to go, but it's lighting up a future of hope. And yeah, buildings that heal themselves? That's not a joke. Self-healing concrete uses bacteria that activate when moisture hits a crack, filling it in like magic. It means longer-lasting roads, bridges, and safer cities, especially as our infrastructure faces extreme weather and wear. Artificial intelligence isn't just helping you search stuff or write emails, it's diagnosing diseases, creating art, writing code, and reshaping industries overnight. AI is becoming both a creative tool and a productivity engine. It's no longer just about automation, it's redefining what humans can do. If any of these blew your mind, tell us which one in the comments. And if you're hungry for more future-shaping tech, don't leave yet. Hit that next video on your screen. It's packed with even more jaw-dropping innovations. Catch you there.